Hello Heavy Metal Maidens and Masters, I'm Heavy Metal Momma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am reviewing the Exo Umbra Vigil cropped hoodie. But before we get to that, remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up with the video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and thank you to all of you that already do. Hit that notification bell so you can find out whenever I upload, and welcome. So, Exo Umbra. I have been a fan of Exo Umbra for a few years now. Exo Umbra is a wonderful Etsy business run by the gorgeous Mooseham. Go check out her Instagram. She is exquisite. She just rocks so many different looks. I love her sense of style. She has this kind of like Victorian clown strega. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. It's very different from what I wear, and yet similar in some ways and yet completely different in others. She's just iconic. Her makeup tutorials are fabulous. She's glorious, absolutely gorgeous. And she owns the brand Exo Umbra, which is a strega witchy style handmade Etsy company. She makes beautiful one-of-a-kind handmade pieces. Well, they're not one-of-a-kind in that she will have items that she puts out, but each one, because it is handmade, is essentially one-of-a-kind because they're never quite the same. She uses recycled t-shirts to make everything, so it's good for the planet, it's ethical. It's just such a great business to support. She is so creative and different. Everything is just so cool. She has like lots of disjointed hems, lots of unfinished hems and things like that. Everything's just, it's just so cool. I'm just going to show you some of her website so that you can get an idea for the feel of the products that she puts out, because they're just so completely different to anything else that's out there, in my opinion. And I love the fact that it's all made by her, it's all from recycled t-shirts, which is such a great idea of how to source the things to make your product from. She's so resourceful and clever, and the stuff that she produces is beautiful. So she has become rather popular recently. So she used to have just an Etsy shop and you go on there and click stuff, and she was getting overwhelmed with orders. So now she has a system where on a Sunday at 3 PM, that is GMT, she opens her shop with a certain number of a certain few items that are for sale on that day. And once they're gone, they're gone. You can still put in custom orders if you want, so you could ask for an older item from her store done in a specific way or something like that, and she will obviously consider it, but you know, it is all going to be subject to availability of the materials and her time. But she has, oh, it's amazing stuff. Now, I had seen this is the Vigil cropped hoodie. She'd put it up on her Instagram page in about mid-September, and I was like, I really want a cropped hoodie. I really want a cropped hoodie. And so I messaged her when I knew that she was starting to do this, having a drop on a Sunday, and once it's gone, it's gone. I asked her when she was going to be next putting the hoodie up, because I wanted it for Christmas and I knew I was going to have to get in there early and try and get it ordered. So I ordered it, I think mid-October. It arrived sort of end of October, and then I had to squirrel it away in a cupboard and try and not look at it too much because I absolutely adored it, but it was supposed to be from my parents for Christmas, so I just had to try and forget about it, which was so hard. So originally I had wanted a cropped hoodie because I had seen the Verity cropped hoodie on Killstar's page. And I thought it would be a great thing to wear with like a skater style skirt or something where you really want to be able to see the waist, but you want something to keep you warm. And the thing that had made me not sure about buying the Killstar one was one is just cropped here. So the whole thing only covers like here, you know, from your bra up sort of thing, which I wasn't sure about. And I had a funny feeling that the material was going to be quite thin. The Verity cropped hoodie has since sold out. They have then brought out the She's Magic cropped hoodie, which is very, very similar to the Verity cropped hoodie. It has metal pentagram hardware detail on the sides here, very similar to the Transylvanian Vamp hoodie that I reviewed a couple of videos ago. Link to that video is up there and down in the description. But I wasn't sure, and then when Sophie said that she was going to be doing this, I was like, well, I'd much rather spend my money with a small alternative business that is run by, you know, a woman in my community that I know. It's going to be handmade, it's going to be ethically made. You know, I'd much rather spend a bit more money and have something that is magnificent rather than something that's okay. You know, general Killstar quality, it's okay, it's not amazing, you know. And then funnily enough, about a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, Moose put out a video where she had bought the She's Magic cropped hoodie from Killstar. I think she got it from Kate's Clothing, but she bought that hoodie and she wasn't that enamoured with it. So I was so pleased that I got her version, because I just think the quality on this is amazing. So let's get into what makes this hoodie so flippin' amazing. So this is thick hoodie material. It doesn't actually have a label on that says what it's made of, but I'm pretty sure it's like a 95% cotton, 5% elastane hoodie, because the original product label isn't in here, but it is so snuggly and thick and warm. So I have hoodies, you know, from back in the 90s, lots of different hoodies, lots and lots of hoodies, and some of them are quite thin and some of them are toasty and snuggly warm, and some of them are thick but they're not soft. This is thick and snuggly and soft. It's a beautiful quality hoodie. So it's got full length sleeves with thumb holes, and not only is it thumb holes, it's not just, oh, I've made a little slit in the seam here sort of thing so that you can poke your thumb through. Oh no, 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 it's double cuffed. So it's got the original hoodie cuffs here, and then she's sewn another hoodie cuff on and then left a thumb hole on. This is proper snuggly warm hands. It's such a beautiful, I would have never thought to have done this to make thumb holes, and it's such a creative solution. It's really, really snuggly warm. It means that they can go right over your hands and you still get that nice voluminous area on your wrist, which I really like in a hoodie. That kind of, it's tight on your hand and then you get that balloon of snuggliness. So it's full length sleeves, it's cropped across the top at, well, here, just across the top of your boobs. It's got these amazing D-ring detail on. So this is a extra thick layer of more hoodie material, and each D-ring is then sewn into this. I'll see if I can get it up so that I can put my finger through here. So this is double thickness. We've got D-ring details on the shoulder, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 D-rings on each side on the front. We've got another one of these detailed sort of loops on the front here with another D-ring, so it hangs down at the front, which is just a nice little detail. Then you turn it over. We've got a lovely snuggly warm hood. Oh, what is that? Looks like a bit of fluff. A lovely snuggly warm hood here, which is really comfortable. Then you've got more of this detail all down the back with these hoops in with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these D-rings at the back. Now, I love the fact that it's very cropped at the front, but it's nice and long at the back. So I got this because I wanted to wear it with some of my A-line skater skirts, or like these cargo pant trousers where it's a tight waist and then it's kind of voluminous. Something where you really want to show off the waist of the item, but I wanted to be warm as well. And I love the fact that because you've got all this empty space here, it really shows off the outfit, but you don't sacrifice being warm at all. This back panel here keeps you so snugly warm, but of course it means that you can still see the outfit because you've got all of this empty negative space. So it's such a clever idea, where the Killstar one is basically like this. So you've lost, you know, probably 50% of the fabric. I love this. It keeps me so warm. I hate being cold. I am not one of these goths that goes, woohoo, bring on autumn and winter. I like the summer. I want to be warm. So I don't do well in the cold. I don't like it at the moment. It's freezing in the UK and I hate it. So everybody else is like, yay, snow. Because we don't really get snow where I live because we're very, very south. So we don't get snow. It's just cold. And yeah, and we don't get any of the fun stuff. We just get the cold. And I'm fed up. So there's nothing to do at the moment. All we can do is go for a walk, and it's too cold. I don't want to go out. So yes, but Oh, this is amazing. This means that I don't have to just put on some big, shapeless, oversized hoodie and cover up my whole outfit. It means that I can put this on and be snug as a bug, but still be able to show off my amazing outfit, because you know what I'm like. I'm such a clothes horse. I love to wear an outfit. I love to prance around, show off my outfit. I didn't own any loungewear until lockdown hit, because I was always like, no, I will sit here in my posh dress and be uncomfortable whilst watching TV. And it was only because of lockdown that I've even bought a pair of tracksuit bottoms. So actually love them. So I'm going to do a loungewear haul soon, because I understand now. So but oh my god, this hoodie, it is absolutely fantastic. I'm definitely keeping my eye on the Exo Umbra shop to see what she has coming out next. I already have I can't remember what the dress is called that I've got. I will put the name of it here, because I basically got, it was the skirt from one dress with the neckline from another, and I asked for long sleeves because, you know, I have to be a pain in the arse, don't I? So there's another dress that she's been doing recently, but it is basically the same dress just with a hood, and I was like, I'm going to buy something from Exo Umbra, because it's not cheap, because it's handmade and, you know, and amazing. So I want something, I want each piece to be stand out in my wardrobe, rather than having two dresses that are very similar. I want to have, yeah, two amazing pieces. So I'm just keeping an eye to see what she has coming next. So soon I will purchase more. But oh my god, I'm so happy with this. And I contacted Moose to ask if there was anything else that she wanted me to mention in the video, and she said, funnily enough, this hoodie is hopefully going to be on Sunday's drop. So if you want to get yourself one of these hoodies, it is going to be on the Sunday the 14th of February's drop for Exo Umbra. That's 3 PM GMT. You have to go onto her Etsy shop, and there it will go live, and you can get your hands on one of these amazing hoodies. She also has this really cool new spiral crop top that she's just started making. I think she only made one for funsies, and then everybody liked it so much she was like, okay, cool, I'll sell it in the shop. It's brilliant. She's like used the overlocker to get this really uneven, cool spiral, so they'll all be different. It's, yeah, really cool, really different. That's what I love about her. Everything is so unique and so her. Everything is, it's got a piece of Moose in it. This is so her. That she's got a fantastic picture of her wearing this with like a rosary necklace. I'm like, oh, I love it. I love it. She looks fantastic. I obviously wear it in a very different way, because I like cybery stuff, and she's very witchy, and you know, but I love the fact that we can wear the same pieces and make them look so completely different with the way that we wear them. Also, side note, she's just reshaved her head and she looks freaking amazing, and go tell her. I wish I had the guts to shave my head, but my hair's too important to me to shave it all off. So this is the Vigil hoodie. I mean, it's just so comfortable. As you can see from the try-ons, it looks amazing with trousers, it looks amazing with skirts. It's just such a versatile hoodie. You can wear it with, it looks amazing with dresses as well. I've worn it with my Exo Umbra dress to really show off the belt that I was wearing. It's such a versatile piece. It's so snuggly and warm. It's been beautifully made, as everything from Exo Umbra is. I am absolutely thrilled with all my Exo Umbra stuff. And she is just a magnificent designer and maker, and definitely go support a fellow member of our community and a wonderful small business. There is also a discount code down in the description box down there. I think the code is Heavy Metal. I'll put it there. Go and get yourself a 10% discount at Exo Umbra. So that is the Exo Umbra Vigil cropped hoodie. Go bag yourself one. You will not regret it, I promise you. And go check out all the other amazing things on Exo Umbra. Just go follow her Instagram and all the other pages. She's magnificent. You'll love it. You will not regret turning on to that brand, I promise you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Do you have any Exo Umbra items? I know quite a few of you do. I know that Smalgish does. I know that Morrigan Raven has a lot of them, and she rocks them all. Go check out both of their Instagram pages as well. I will put links down to those down in the description as well. Remember to like this video, comment down below to discuss any of the things that come up in the video, particularly if you want to tell me about what Exo Umbra items you have. I would love to hear from you. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so that you can find out whenever I upload. And remember people, stay heavy.